In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Drive shortcut on your desktop. Now, to get started, you do need to use Google Chrome to do this, so make sure you have got Google Chrome downloaded. And then what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, you can click onto the Google Apps icon in the top right hand corner. And from here, you want to find your drive and give it a click to be taken to your Google Drive. Now, once you're in your Google Drive, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots to open this menu. And then what you want to do is come and hover over the cast, save and share option. What that's going to do is bring up a submenu and you're going to see an option here to install Google Drive. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window asking if you want to install this. Click onto install. And what that's going to do is open up Google Drive in its own separate window. And because this has now been installed, if you actually come back to your desktop, you will find the Google Drive app here. So you can just double click the shortcut, which is going to directly open up your Google Drive. So that is how to create a Google Drive shortcut on desktop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Drive and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.